Every time someone from Cardinal comes here, I tell people that live thousands of miles away about them because it's such a great experience. Well, I first heard about Cardinal Heating and Air maybe 6 months after I moved here, and I was already set up with a plumber that my realtor introduced me to. The technicians they sent out really didn't explain what they were doing very much, and they seemed to be inconvenienced by my questions, and I just wasn't particularly married to them. And when the first visit from a Cardinal plumber was just so different. So friendly, so polite, so helpful, so informative. Easy step from there to the monthly, the $20 a month plan, and that was very convenient. And for the relatively low price, knowing that I had that on call, really, really helpful, particularly as a newcomer to the Midwestern winter, where conditions really could become fatal in a matter of hours. I always got a text ahead of time that, among other things, added a delightfully unexpected personal touch by introducing the technician and some basic personal information like favorite food or what have you. It always added a personal touch that actually felt genuine, unlike most corporate attempts at personal touches. I have this thought that that you can tell a company hates its customers when they put you in a phone tree that never goes anywhere. Cardinal is the opposite. Always spokesperson, friendly, positive, and most importantly, actually helpful. Usually plumbing and HVAC is just a nightmare to deal with. You just want your stuff to work. You don't want to have to think about it or pay for it. But when you have to, can't do any better than Cardinal.